Hello and welcome back to the channel for another update in the Vallow Daybell case. Today there was a filing that's kind of surprising. I did not expect to see this. Let's read it. Rob Wood has filed a withdrawal of contest regarding the 18-11 that was filed on Lori Vallow. Rob Wood had contested the finding of the court-appointed psychologist who said that Lori was incompetent to stand trial. Now, in the state of Idaho, the way it works is Rob Wood cannot go get another evaluation, another second opinion, so to speak, and they do this to protect people, protect defendants from undergoing countless evaluations that can in some cases be traumatic. So whatever, that's the law there. But what Rob Wood can do is come back with his own expert to refute the court-appointed expert's filing his report, and they would have to show protocol violations, problems with testing, some sort of problem with the system that the court-appointed psychologist used to evaluate Lori's competency. Now, clearly, from this filing, it looks like Rob Wood's expert was not able to do that, and they said, all right, we'll have to go with this. It does look like she's incompetent. Let's read the filing and then talk about what it means. It says, the state of Idaho, by and through the Madison County Prosecuting Attorney's Office, acting as special prosecutor for Fremont County, hereby informs the court that the state has reviewed the 18-11 evaluation and report of defendant Lori Vallow Daybell and corresponding data provided by the court-appointed examiner with the state's own expert. Based on said review, the state withdraws its contest to the 18-11 evaluation report and does not object to the court's determination of competency on the basis of the evaluation report. The state further does not object to a medical physician's evaluation and diagnosis of the defendant with a corresponding treatment plan for the purpose of restoring the defendant's competence. So, Rob Wood right here is saying the state's expert could not really refute the report, so they're going to go with it. What happens next? Well, Lori Vallow will have to undergo psychological treatment with the goal of restoring her competency, and hopefully that's going to happen quickly, and she will be back in court to face all the charges against her. Typically, these things happen between 60 and 90 days from all the research that I've done, and we're going to hear updates as soon as we can. But as of this moment, Lori Vallow is now officially incompetent to stand trial. So good luck to the psychologist. I hope they work their magic quickly so she can get back in court, because she's got a lot of charges that she needs to face in person in a court of law. I do have a video up on the channel where I explain the difference between incompetency and insanity. I think it's really important to understand that going forward because it's a little murky. All right, this is not saying that she was insane at the time of the offense, therefore she shouldn't be charged. All this is saying is that right now she cannot help her counsel in her defense, and she doesn't really understand the severity of the situation. So that's all explained in that video if you want to get more familiar with what incompetency means, and we'll keep an eye on things. Stay tuned to the channel. We have Chad Daybell's arraignment on June 9th, and we'll be live, and we'll get to watch it, and hopefully that guy's not chuckling it up and having a great time like he was at his last appearance. Good grief. So join me for that on the 9th, and I'll see you then. Until then, take care out there.